Open the design on Canva. Click on the Share button in the top right and go to Downloads. Select the file type to PNG and click Download to download to your device. Open Etsy and click on Sign In. You can sell your Canva design on Etsy by signing in using your Google account. Choose your account and click Continue to get access. Go to the profile icon and select Sell Etsy. To start selling on Etsy, hit Get Started. It will ask you some questions. Select Answer and click Next. You can skip these questions as well. Choose the topics provided that help you grow. Click Next and then enter the shop preferences. It includes the language, country, and currency of the shop. Click Save and Continue. And enter your shop name. Make sure to enter the name according to the rules of the name that are given. On the next page, you have to tell about the listing, which includes the type of item, who made it, what is it, and more. After entering the data, click Save and Continue. Tell about the items by adding 10 photos and a video from your device. Enter the title, description, price, and quantity of the products. Also add a short description of the product that explains it better. Add a digital file and its name must be between 3 and 70 characters long. You can add additional details and click Save and Continue. Now you will be able to start selling on Etsy. Same as going to the Amazon merch website. Click on Sign In and start selling on it. Make sure to check the link in the description down below to access Canva. And if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.